Good evening, I'm Aaron Drawhorn. Besides that DWI, 4 other charges against an Albuquerque man also got dismissed. The defense lawyer says it's because of what 2 assistant district attorneys did in court. News 13's Madeline Schmidt has the details.
This bench trial started in April but then was rescheduled. Now the case will never go before a judge. On September 27th last year, Ronald Cordova was pulled over by Albuquerque police near Amherst and Gibson. He was later charged with DWI, open container, speeding, and no insurance. But those charges have been dismissed, and it's not because of a verdict. During the bench trial in April, as the prosecutor questioned Officer Louis Henkel, Cordova's defense attorney Roman Romero says he noticed the officer staring beyond the prosecutor.
When I turned and looked, I saw 2 beginner prosecutors seated in the gallery that were making affirmative movements, shaking their head up and down.
The 2 men were assistant district attorneys Tony Flores and James Plummer, and Romero believes they were helping the officer answer questions about the intoxilizer that measured Cordova's blood alcohol content that night.
I filed a motion to dismiss on the basis that the testifying officers' answers were affected by extrajudicial actions and movements.
Judge Daniel Ramsett granted the motion. Now Cordova's off the hook. In a court order, Plummer testified he didn't gesture intentionally. Flores testified if he did gesture, he doesn't remember doing it. Either way, the case was tossed for prosecutorial misconduct.
He was innocent anyway. It just didn't get to the verdict. He was going to be innocent anyway.
Now, the district attorney's office says that the allegations are concerning and that they will continue to train their prosecutors to only observe in court, not to react, whether it's accidentally or intentionally. Madeline Schmidt, KRQE News 13.
Rosso told Officer Henkel testified that he was not influenced by the actions of the assistant DAs.